Hello Immians, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing an all-natural 3-ingredient DIY recipe with you guys. This is highly effective at helping with dark spots, acne scars, hyperpigmentation. It also helps with anti-aging and also dark eye circles. So this is one of those magical recipes which help with your overall complexion. It is super easy to make, so I'm going to jump right into the recipe. But before I move on, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscription box below and do not forget to hit that little bell icon so you guys can get notified every time I upload. So I'm going to jump right into it. So all you need is half a potato. You can use any sort of potato, guys. You can use golden, white, red, any of them work. The magical ingredient in potatoes is the catecholates, which helps with bleaching the skin and lightening the skin, getting rid of all those marks. We are also using the juice of half a lemon, and I'm going to be adding some honey to this. All you need to do is blend this mixture up, and we're going to be adding it to ice cubes now. We're gonna let this freeze overnight before we use it, and all you need to do to actually use this remedy is on clean skin every night, just get one ice cube and apply it on your skin until the whole thing dissolves and melts. Then you want to leave this on for at least 20 minutes. When you're waiting for it, it's not too, it doesn't feel like you've got too much on your skin, so you can continue to do, whatever you're doing. And after the 20 minutes are over, all you need to do is wash it off with cold water, and that is it. Now guys, you will see effects in 2 days only. This is super effective, so be ready for the amazing results. But if you do have, scars which are like 10 years old or something, if they're very, very old, keep in mind that your skin does take a bit of time to renew. So it can take up to 7 days. It really just depends on how old the scar is. So just keep that in mind. But with my pimple, I had this really nasty pimple on top of my lip and on my chin. I used this for 3 days only, and they've pretty much faded. So I like to have natural skin. I don't like wearing makeup every day. So I love it when my skin looks really fresh and clear. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Thank you guys so much for watching my recipe. Please do try this remedy out and let me know in the comments below if you do try it out and if it works for you. I'm sure it's gonna work for all of you. And also let me know what you guys want to see next. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Bye guys.